Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the Indy collection in white oak and dark brown. Let's go take a look at the details of the collection. Experience refinement with our 24-inch white oak vanity, which opens to reveal ample storage space tailored for your needs. Our dark brown vanities, available in 24 and 30 inches, blend durability with timeless grace, featuring a wood-embossed melamine finish that elevates any decor. Designed with your convenience in mind, the Indy collection is effortlessly assembled, allowing you to realize your design dreams with ease. Each unit stands solidly with toe kick boards that enhance a clean, streamlined appearance. Above, a pristine white ceramic countertop designed for mono faucets combines functionality with sleek styling. Equipped with soft closing hardware, each interaction with the Indy collection promises serenity and lasting functionality. Step into a world of understated elegance with the Indy collection by Golden Elite Deco. Explore the Indy collection and invite excellence into your home. Thank you for considering Golden Elite Deco, where fine details craft perfect spaces.